Guess who turned up in my email inbox offering me the Halo strap? Kiwi Design did. At very first glance, this thing does look a lot more like the Bobovr M3 Pro. And if you watched my videos on that, you'll know that the M3 Pro was actually a really good product. So was the Kiwi Design Comfort Strap. Both of them were great. Those two videos are up in the cards if you want to check them out. But I'm super stoked to have been offered one of these. Let's unbox. Alrighty, here we are. Unboxing time. We turn around the back. Got a few details and instructions of the features. Take the sleeve off like this, and voila. One thing I've noticed with Kiwi's packaging as well, they have done a very similar job to what Meta have done, you know, with the sleeves and the boxes. I did also notice that with the Kiwi Comfort Strap with the battery, the same sort of thing. Let's have a look. Ooh, look at that. Oh, wow. And it looks comfy. Okay. A little cardboard sleeve. So inside the box, all we had was the strap itself. We also have a little pamphlet thing. I'm guessing this is going to have instructions on how you install everything. Standard thing. Very straightforward. I guess if we get lost, we can refer to that. Looking at the actual strap itself. Ooh. So we've got the hinges. That is a feature of the comfort strap. Along the front here, this looks completely different. Like, what the hell is this? If we look at the sides here, we've got our two arms that cradle the Quest 3 or the 3S as well. These are compatible with both. They do have that further rotation. I think that's going to come in handy. I like that. Wow. And they've really gone all out on the padding. They've got two cradles. They've got one for the forehead, one for the occipital bone. Ooh. Straight out the gate, just the clicking of this is so much quieter than all the other ones. Cable is nice and short and inconspicuous. Very cool. I'm really curious as to how this thing actually goes into the Quest 3. Oh, we've got an extra click wheel here. Look. What? Oh, okay, I get it. So the Quest 3 on the front of it, like where you put the Velcro strap, you weave the strap underneath it. It appears this will probably clip straight onto that and then use another click wheel at the front to actually maneuver it up and down. That is a cool feature, actually. Oh, I'm excited to try that. Then we've got a Velcro strap on here, but the Velcro strap is basically just to, I guess, give support over the top of the head. And then they've got the extra forehead padding in there. Wow, that's really nifty. We're gonna have to go and get the Quest 3 and put this on right now. Sorry, Bobo. The new kids in town. Okay. This is wild. I was right. There you go. Great. Oh my God. There's that other little hinge here that allows you to put the device either closer or further away from your eyes. Like they're little tiny discs that reposition where the actual Quest 3 sits. That is insane. All right. Cool. You know, one of the downfalls with the Bobovr M3 Pro was that I didn't find it too intuitive to put together. I guess now that I have done it, this was a piece of cake. I guess this new click wheel part, this is gonna absolutely game change the customization and way that it can actually sit on your face, I reckon. But yeah, this was quite intuitive for me to put together. I mean, I already had some experience, so, and then, how am I going to do this? Yeah, let's go like that. Ooh. Okay. Plug her in. Looks fairly simple, straightforward. We can see our battery charging there. I actually quite like this black look. Digging it. Where the hell do you charge it? Oh yeah, there's a little charging port just there. That's great. Ta-da! Very, very cool. Until we fully get in and test this thing out, I mean, I've got to test the battery power. I've got to really find where the adjustments and things fit for me. And I'm going to do that in another video. Bloody cool. I'm actually really excited to talk about this more. But obviously today's video was just about, you know, unboxing the thing and having a little look. So far, quite impressed. I'm really excited to test the battery and, you know, really suss it out and do a full review for you guys. But yeah, if you want to stay up to date with me on that, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you already have this head strap, let me know your 2 cents in the comment section. And I guess I'll see you when it's time to do my review. Catch you later.